Welcome to Nyam Nyam. We're making cookie dough cupcakes. Yeah! Add 40 grams of cocoa powder to a mixing bowl plus 4 tablespoons of boiling water. Now add in 175 grams of butter. Whisk it all together. $165 grams of sugar goes into that. And crack in 3 eggs. Whisk it up. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 115 grams of self-raising flour. Whisk it again. And you have your cupcake mixture ready. Spoon it into your holders. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees. Meanwhile, get 5 tablespoons of butter and 4 ounces of cream cheese. Whisk it up in a mixing bowl. Add 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and whisk again. 2 tablespoons of milk goes into that, plus half a cup of flour. Then 3 cups of icing sugar. Buttercream icing power! It's all blended together. We're adding 2/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. Get your cupcakes. Cut out a hole in the middle of each. And spoon in your cookie dough mixture. Yum! And a big dollop on the top. Can never have enough of cookie dough mixture. And there you have it. Amazing! Cookie dough cupcakes. Yeah!